Other people?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Funny.
Good morning,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Everyone, be active, okay? Be active, everyone. My intention is you people there are not, you people are active or not. That is my intention. Please respond, everyone. Okay? Be active, everyone. So, my dear students, let me open the document. So, we completed posting period. Put the heading of field status, everyone. Put the heading of field status. Venkat, please go on mute, Venkat. Guys, put the heading of field status and note it down these two steps, everyone. Note it down the two steps, everyone. Please note it down. Can everyone noted these two steps? Field status and note it down these two steps, everyone. Noted? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
everyone, here I will tell you one thing, everyone. Before going to start the class, if you see the practice material, for example, I shared two practice material, everyone. One is enterprise structure, one is global parameters. If you see the global parameters, my dear students, if you see the global parameters, for this all the steps, everyone, okay, with including T codes and all. If you see here, you find example, this is the, heading, and this is the T code, and this is the path, and this is the reference screenshot, everyone. So after, for example, first you have to listen the class. Then in case of any questions, once again, you can watch recording session. Then with help of practice material, for example, let's observe here. Sign company code to, chart of accounts. See, this is our example. This is the company code. Here you need to assign the chart of accounts. And if I go down, see, this is the accounts group, step by step, and define retained earning accounts. Here, X in one warning message will come. You can ignore it and maintain fiscal year variant. See the step by step process, everyone. Okay, step by step. It's a this is just like a practice material. Okay, maybe after 20 days, I will share interview question and answers also. For each topic wise, you have to start for reading the interview question and answers. Okay, so kindly don't neglect the practice material. Okay, don't neglect the practice material, everyone. With help of practice material, you have to do the practice. Okay, topic wise, we will share all practice material. Accordingly, you have to practice, everyone. Okay, now today topic is field status. So I strongly believe you noted these two steps, everyone. Field status. My dear students, field status. What is meant by status? Status means what is meant by field? What is meant by field means just essay definition of field. Kindly respond. What is meant by field?
Area.
Area.
Area. The best definition is cell, field. Any others? Right? What is the use of, what is meant by field? Field means, okay. What is meant by status? Status means
Where we are standing, like
status where we standing. Okay. Any others? Not for WhatsApp status. Everyone.
Positions.
Position, good, good, very good. Very good. Okay.
Progress.
Progress. Okay. Nice, nice. Everyone,
Update.
concentrate here. I will tell you. Very good, everyone. Thanks for respond, everyone. Very good. I will tell you. Today, just to try to understand, today topic is field status. What is meant by field and what is meant by status? Everyone, listen careful. Listen careful, everyone. My dear students, field. Field means during the document entry posting field. What is meant by field? During the document entry posting field. Document entry posting field. Status. Status means situation and current status, like that. Okay. Sthiti in Telugu word, like that. During the document entry posting field, status. My dear students, concentrate here. Listen careful. Listen careful, everyone. During the document entry posting, for example, we posted debit, we want to post credit.
credit.
Go on mute, sir. I will tell you. Please, sir, please. For example, everyone, if you want to post any accounting entry, we need to enter debit field and we want to enter credit field. For example, everyone, let us understood in the SAP, debit side, we have 75 fields. How many fields? 75 fields. In the credit side, we have 75 fields. Example, GL, amount, text. For example, if you go here, go to example, I will show you. If I go to FB50, this is the fields, everyone. And this is the debit and this is the credit. What is the field here? GL and the text, rent account data to cash, like that. And debit and credit, then amount, example, then tax code, then here assignment, value field, value date, company code, and business area, cost center, blah, 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 XYZ. How many fields we have? 75 fields we have. How many fields credit side? 75 fields. Total how many fields? 150 fields. My dear students, here I will ask one question. For each counting entry, if I enter the inputs 150 fields, how much time it will take to post the accounting entry? Anyone?
More than 1 hour, sir.
More than 1 hour or more than half an hour? At least 20 minutes we require. At least 20 minutes. If I enter 150 fields, debit side 75 fields, credit side 75 fields. Fields, if I want to enter the inputs for all the fields, minimum 15 to 20 minutes, maximum 1 hour. Then every accounting entry, if you take half an hour, then per day, how many accounting entries you will post? Then what is the solution here? Even here, you can catch the point here, my dear students. Even for the client, not required to enter all 150 fields. Not required to enter all 150 fields. Then what is the solution here? What is the solution here? My dear students, the solution is for every field, everyone, we have 4 options, everyone.
Welcome to MC Music World. Bluetooth mode.
Rajesh ji, go on mute.
Connected.
Rajesh, please go on mute, sir. Guys, if you disturb now, immediately I will remove the class, everyone. Please don't disturb others, everyone. Please. Please, okay? Please. If you disturb now, immediately I will remove. Please, huh? For example, debit side, 75 fields. Credit side, 75 fields. Total 150 fields, everyone. Even client not required to enter all the fields. 150 fields is not required to enter. Then what is the solution? What is the solution? Solution is field status variant. Solution is field status variant. Field status variant. Everyone, for every field, we have 4 options, everyone. We have 4 options. One is example, one is required, one is optional, and one is display, and one is what is one is suppress. One is suppress. Everyone, for every field, we have 4 options. One is required, optional, display, and suppress. Display and suppress. My dear students, concentrated everyone. My dear students, concentrated everyone. Listen careful. Listen careful, my dear students. Concentrate here. Listen careful, everyone. For example, you are the Deloitte employee, everyone. You are the Deloitte employee as a consultant. And our client name is called JB Group of Company. JB Group of Company. Everyone, concentrate here, everyone. Listen careful. Who is our client? JB Groups or JB Group of Company. In the JB Group of Company, we have end users. We have end users. Everyone, listen careful. As a consultant, you want to control the end user. You want to control the end user during the document entry posting. Which field you want to enter the inputs? Which fields you don't want to enter the inputs? You want to control the end users during the document entry posting. You want to control the end users. What end users will do? On production system, end user will post the accounting entries. End user will generate the reports. So during the document entry posting, you want to control the end users. Which field you want to enter the inputs? Which field you don't want to enter the inputs? So you are the highest hierarchy. You need to control that user. Control that user. Then how you can control? How you can control? Very, very, very simple, everyone. SAP is very easy. You have to understand in the proper manner how you can control. Everyone would have field status variant with the field status groups, standard one. Field status variant with the field status group, everyone. Field status groups. It's a standard one. Example, one group is G001. One more group is G002. And one more group is G003. Everyone, here you can catch the point here. Here you can catch the point here, everyone. Example, everyone. In the G001, business area field. Example, I'm telling. Otherwise, cost center field. I will make it as a required. I will make it as a required. So this G001, I want to map with the GL account. I will show you how to map GL account. Example, I can map with the commission paid account. I mapped with the commission paid account. So what happened, everyone? What happened? During the commission paid accounting entry posting, during the commission paid accounting entry posting, so cost center is required. You must enter the input when during the document entry posting. Document entry posting. Why? Because on the field status variant with the field status group, here I will make it as a required. This field, cost center field, I will make it as a required. So this group, on this group, cost center field, I will make it as a required. So this group I can map with the GL account, commission paid GL account. What happened here? During the commission paid accounting entry posting, cost center is required. It means you must want to enter the cost center. It is required. Same way, I will tell you one more way. Example, everyone. Concentrate here, everyone. Concentrate here. In G002, cost center field, I will make it as a optional. I will make it as a optional. So what happened here? Example, this G002, I will assign one GL. That GL is called rent account. Example, rent account. It means what happened? During the rent accounting entry posting, cost center is optional. During the rent accounting entry posting, cost center field is optional. What is meant by optional? You may enter the inputs, you may not enter the inputs. System is allowed to post the accounting entry. For example, here, if you post as a required, during the accounting entry posting, you must enter the inputs. For example, during the commission paid accounting entry posting, you must enter the cost center. Otherwise, system cannot allow. But in this group, I will make it as an optional. What happened? This group I assigned with rent account. So during the rent accounting entry posting, you may enter the cost center, you may not enter the cost center. You may enter or you may not enter, as your wish. It's optional. It is an optional, everyone. For example, same way we have 4 types of everyone. You have 4 types. Example, what is that? One is required, one is optional, one is display. What is meant by display? Any field if you make it as a display, during accounting entry posting, that field is a gray mode. You are unable to enter any inputs. Any field, if you make it as a suppress, during the accounting entry posting, that field will going to hide. Any field, if you make it as a suppress, during the accounting entry posting, that field is going to hide. Guys, are you following, everyone? Are you following? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As a consultant, we want to control the end user. Hey, my dear end user, for this accounting entry posting, this field is required. For this accounting entry posting, this field is optional. This accounting entry posting, this field is suppressed. Like that, you need to control the end users. How you can control? You can control with help of field status variant. Note it down one note, everyone. Note it down one note, my dear students. Note it down. Note it down, everyone. Field status variant is field status variant is field status variant is control the fields. Control the fields during the document entry posting. During the document entry posting. During the document entry posting. Every field will have 4 options. Every field will have 4 options. We have 4 options. One is required, optional, display, suppress. Display and suppress. Display and suppress. Put the heading of required. Put the heading of required, everyone. Please note it down. Put the heading of required. On field status variant, on field status variant, on field status variant, any field if you make it as a required, during the document entry posting, you must enter the inputs on that field. You must enter the inputs on that field when during the accounting entry posting. You must enter the inputs, otherwise system cannot allow. Okay. Next one, put the heading of optional. Put the heading of optional. On field status, on field status, any field, if you make it as a optional, any field, if you make it as a optional, if you make it as a optional, during the accounting entry posting means document entry posting, okay? During the accounting entry posting on that field, you may enter the inputs or you may not enter the inputs. It is optional. Next one, put the heading of suppress or display, whatever. Put the heading of suppress. Any field, if you make it as a suppress, any field, if you make it as a suppress, if you make it as a suppress, during the accounting entry posting, during the document entry posting, during the document entry posting, that field is going to hide. Display noted, everyone? Yes, no?
No, sir.
Note it down. Put the heading of display. Any field, if you make it as a display, if you make it as a display, during the document entry posting, that field is the gray mode. Just for display, you are unable to enter any inputs.
Sir, during document entry posting, then sir.
During the document entry posting, that field is gray mode. Just for display. We are unable to enter any inputs on that field. Done, sir? Noted? Can anyone please read the note? Remaining people check it out, everyone. Anyone? Go ahead, sir. Note, read. Go ahead, ma'am. Read. Soba, read. No problem. Anyone, please read. No problem. Other, if you are not interested, then I can continue.
Control the fields during the document entry posting. Every field we have 4 options are required.
Can you read once again, ma'am?
Field status variant is control the fields during the document entry posting. Every field we have 4 options. Required optional display surplus. Required on field status variant, any field, if it is required during the document entry posting, you must enter the inputs. Optional on field status, any field if you make it as an optional during the document entry posting, and that field you may enter the inputs or you may not enter the inputs. It's a optional. Surplus any field if you make it as a surplus during the document entry posting, that field is going to hide. Display any field if you make it as a display during the document entry posting, that field is gray mode. Just for display, we are unable to enter any inputs on that particular field.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. Everyone, so where you will make it as a optional, where you will make it as a surplus, like that, optional and surplus. My dear students, concentrated everyone. Listen careful. Listen careful, everyone. Very simple, everyone. SAP is very easy, but you have to understand in proper manner. You have to understand in proper manner. That's it. So what is that? What is that? These two settings, everyone. Define field status variant. Assign company code to field status variant. So what is the path? This is the path, everyone. SPRO, financial accounting global setting, ledger, field, and define field status variant. Very simple. Concentrated, everyone. Listen careful. Listen everyone. Listen. Concentrate here. Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Select here financial accounting global setting, and here ledger, fields, here define field status variant. So you just double click on this execute button. In case if you want to understand more information, what is meant by field status variant, just go through this document, everyone. This document will give more information, why, what, when, blah, 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 XYZ. Okay, just go through this document if you want to understand more. Okay, and no, sir, we understood. Then how we can create? Very simple, everyone. Guys, if I want to see the T code, what can I do?
Additional information.
Additional information.
Display key.
IMG. Good. Very good, everyone. Last 4 digit is the T code. Define field status OBC4. Assign company code to field status variant OBC5. C4 and C5. Okay. So this is the path. Financial accounting global setting, ledger, field, and define field status variant. Everyone, listen carefully. Listen. Focus the class. If you want 2 lakh rupees salary per month, focus the class. If you want 1 lakh rupees salary per month, focus the class. Focus, everyone. So you just double click on this execute button. Double click on this execute button. So there is a example, everyone. There is a standard fields groups is there. Example, maybe some people deleted standard. For example, what is the standard? 0001 and 1000. This is the standard field status variants, everyone. In case if you want to use, you can use. Otherwise, you can use. For example, everyone, somebody deleted standard one. Let us assume. For example, this is the field status groups, everyone. This is the groups. This is a groups, everyone. My dear students, in case if you want to create new one, what you need to do? Double click on this execute button. Select here any existing variant. Generally on in your system, either you can select 0001 or 1000. 0001 or 1000. Maybe in my system somebody deleted standard one, so I am selecting any standard one. Select here any any existing one. I am selecting 110010. Click on here copy as. I am repeating once again. Double click on this execute button. Select here any existing one. I am selecting any existing one, but in the real time, either they will select 0001 or 1000. This is the standard section. Okay. So somebody deleted and I'm selecting anyone. Select here any existing one. Click on your copy as. Set up here any 4-digit and write the description. So what is the 4-digit? JB field status variant. Set up here any 4-digit. It may be numerical or it may be alphabets. Field status variant for JB group of company. _JB. Press enter. Press enter button in the keyboard. Enter. Click on your copy all. Copy all. Yes, copied 46 groups. Click on your OK. Then save. Everyone, concentrate here, everyone. Listen careful. So how I can create it? Select your existing one. Click on your copy as. Set up here any 4-digit and write the description. Press enter and save. So where is that? Where I created? This is the one. JBFV. So now select here your field status. Double click on field status group here everyone. Double click. Select this. After selecting, double click on field status group. This is the groups, everyone. Example YB01, YB03, 04, 05 like that. I'm double click on YB01. Generally G001 like that. You can select any group. This is the groups. Double click on group. Click on your additional accounting information. So this is the fields, everyone. For example, cost center. If you make it as an optional, what happened? Everyone, cost center, if you make it as an optional, what happened?
Need not to enter.
May or may not.
Very good, everyone. During the accounting entry posting, you may enter the cost center or you may not enter the cost center. For example, if I make it as a required, what happened? During the accounting entry posting, you must enter the cost center. Otherwise, system cannot allow. And display or suppress. For example, if you make it as a suppress, cost center field will going to hide. You are unable to display there. It will going to hide. So better you will make it as an optional, everyone. For the practicing purpose, cost center, if you make it as an optional, then business area, make it as an optional. And use page down button in the keyboard. Page down. Example, cost center, make it as an optional. and paste down button in the keyboard. Segment, make it as a optional. Then click on here, save. This is the groups, everyone. Whatever groups you want. Example, and double click on this execute button. Select here your variant. Double click on field status groups. For example, if I go to YB01, this is the headings. For example, if you go to general data, in the general data, this fields is there. Text, invoice reference, heading. This is the fields. Where is this fields? This is the fields during the accounting entry posting. So that fields you can control by here. Okay. One step back. For example, additional accounting information. This is the fields. And payment transaction. This is the fields. Example, value date, suppress, required, optional. Example here. Okay. Payment term, suppress, required, optional. Like that, you can control. You can control the fields from here. You can control the fields from here. Here, everyone. One more. What is the next step, everyone? Next step is assign company code to field status variant. So you just double click on this execute button. Double click on this execute button. Click on your position. What is our company code? JB11. This is my company code, everyone. Here you can enter the field status variant. JB, what we created, everyone? JB? JBFV. In case if you are not remember, sir, I am not remember. What can I do? Very simple. Click on your browse here. Click on your browse. All the field status variants will come. You can select your one, JBFV. And here also JBFV. Click on here, save. Click on here, save. Everyone, do one thing, everyone. Try to understand here. Field status variant flow. How it can be cut. How it can be worked. First, what we did, everyone. One is we created field status variant with a copy of existing one. Field status variant. Under field status variant, automatically updated field status groups. Field status groups. One second, everyone. Make it as a charging. My laptop. Everyone, concentrated, everyone. Under this, we will make it as a field status groups. Field status group, everyone, or groups. So here on the field status groups, we will make it as a required, and optional. Here we will make it as a optional and suppress, then display and all. Everyone, for this field status variant, we are going to assign with our company codes. Field status variant assign with our company codes. Just now we did. And this field status group, what is the group? This is the groups, everyone. What is the groups, my dear students? What is the groups? Example, this is the groups, everyone. This is the groups. Okay. For these groups, we are going to assign our GL accounts. These groups we are going to assign to GL accounts. GL accounts. What is the GL accounts? Rent account, cash account, commission paid account. Examples of the GL. Rent account. Examples of the GLs. Example. And cash account. And land account. And commission received account. Example, blah, 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 XYZ. So this field status groups, we are going to assign with our GL accounts. Based on the GL accounts, we will post the accounting entries. Document entry posting. Document entry posting, everyone. So here, during the document entry posting, so this, whatever you will make it as an optional, required, surplus, this can be reflected here. Here you will make it as na. So here we will make the groups. On the group, you will make it as an optional, required, suppress, whatever. So these groups we are going to assign the GLs. During the accounting entry posting, we will enter the GL number. Rent account data to cash, commission paid account data to cash, cash account data to commission received. We enter the GL na. So if you enter the GL, so it will, these options will reflected here. Maybe optional, every field, which field is optional, which field is suppressed, which field is required. That settings will going to reflected here. So based on the document entry posting, guys, don't write. Listen careful. Please, okay? And based on the document entry posting, we will generate the reports. Put the heading of field status variant flow. Flow, everyone. Flow chart. Note it down this. Now you can note it down. After write, then I will give you time to ask the questions, everyone. Then, sir, noted, sir.
Done, sir.
Remaining people done?
Done, Venkat.
Now, time to ask the questions. Ask the questions, everyone.
Sir.
Go ahead, sir.
Field status group is automatically coming in system, sir.
Groups, sir. That groups, sir.
Sir.
That we are copy all na. We are copying from existing one.
Suppose it's not there.
That is it is not there. It will not come. Basically, SAP predefined. Hare Krishna. Listen, Sarji. For example, there is an G100 0001. There is a standard one in the system. So SAP already created, predefined.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we can copy from them. So in this practicing system, all the students are practicing. Na? Some people will going to delete. So that is the real time. It is a standard actually. It already is there.
Standard data is given by the system, sir.
Here you want to ask one question. Sir, why I want to create new one? Am I want to use this standard one? Either 0001, 1000. If I want to use this variant, yes, you can use if you want. But my suggestion is try to learn with the creation of your own. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, in field status group, when you were displayed the screen, there was 3 options: suppress, required entry, and optional
display
entry.
Will come later. Now in this situation, surplus behave display and suppress mode. Display coming some more will come later. Okay.
So, is it possible can create a field status group, sir, now?
Possible Acha, instead of creating copy as, you want to create a new entry, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, is there option? Click on here, create new entry.
Okay. So in that
Better,
we
my
will be
suggestion
selecting.
is SAP
Okay. Okay.
suggested the best practice is copy as
Okay.
existing one,
Copy.
create new one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is the best practice. SAP suggested like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Venkat, one small doubt.
Hare Krishna, go ahead, sir.
For example, FB50 posting any document entry, correct? Okay. Any kind of expenses. Example, like, I'm posting as accrual entry. Okay. As you told, na, the cost center also I entered. You mentioned required and optional. Optional means already cost center with respect to expenses I entered. Na. Again, you're telling is optional means one more here only I'm actually. Already with the cost center, listen. During the document entry posting, example I said FB50, the T code used. I entered all the fields like cost center, the respective.
Here, one second. Before going to that, for example, before going to accounting entry, first we have to do the configuration. If every configuration is done, then only we post the accounting entries.
Okay.
Before, after accounting entry posting, we are unable to do the configuration.
Okay.
In the implementation project, first we implement complete SAP based on the client requirement. Then even we are going to test it is working fine or not. Then after these changes, we'll moving to the production system. So then later they will post the accounting entries on production system.
Okay, this and all first we need to do the all configuration.
Yes.
Thanks, Angad. I understand.
Sir, one small question I have,
Yeah, please.
So when you say this fill a status group, okay, so we are assigning to the individual GL account or GL group?
Yes, individual GL account. Yes, answer is yes. During the GL creation, I will show you. During the GL creation, I will show you how to assign this GL group to your this field status group to GL account. I will show you. Answer is yes.
Okay. Yes.
So actually, for every T code, the fields will be different, right, sir? So in that case, what you will be doing, sir, to control the fields?
Every T code?
In every T code, there will be separate fields to be entered, right? Suppose in case the other tool now for every 50, the fields will be different to enter, and in case of some other T code, while entering, the fields will be different, right?
Same type of fields. Who told you? Same type. Commonly, Hare Krishna, listen. Commonly, maybe if I post vendor invoice, vendor number is there. If I post GL invoice, GL number is there. If I post customer invoice, customer number is there. But remaining amount, value date, cost center, 90% of all the fields is same.
Okay, sir. Okay. Understood. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can we assign field status variants to multiple company codes, more than one company code?
Yeah. Yes. Answer is yes. We did like that only. Yeah. Guys, if you do not have any questions, kindly put the heading of tolerance and note it down these 3 steps, everyone. Tolerance, note it down these 3 steps. Done, sir. Noted. Done. Yes, no.
done, Venkat.
And for example, everyone, let's see the practice material. Some people are confusing. Let's see the practice material. Where we are in example, where we are in everyone. Field status variant, right? So this is the field status variant. This is the T code, and this is the path, everyone. This is a path. So here there is a standard one, 0001 is a standard. We selected 0001, click on your copy as. Then later enter here any 4-digit and write the description. So in my system, somebody deleted 0001. So that is the reason I selected 0010. Okay. I selected 0010, click on your copy as, set up here any 4-digit and write the description. So one pop-up will come here, click on your copy all. Okay, click on your copy all. Then if I go down, so this will going to create it like this. It will going to create it. Then you select this and double click on field status group. So this is the field status groups actually. So double click on any field status group. Here double click. If you click on here any field status group, these headings will come. These headings will come. Example here, you will make it, double click on additional accounting information. So here which field is optional? Example, business area, make it as optional. Profit center, make it as optional. Segment is make it as optional. Example, these three things will make it as a optional, everyone. Okay. Then after that, what can I do? After that, so assign company code to field status variant. Assign company code to, this is my company code. This is the field status code, practice material. For example, everyone, here you want to ask one question. Sir, you told up to here. Up to where? Where is? So up to here. Then when you will create the GLs, it will come, everyone. Okay, don't worry about that. It will come. First, for example, everyone. For example, for every topic, not only now we are configuring the GLs, everyone. Not only GL, AP, AR, asset accounting, special GL, all the topics, taxation, different topics will come. So how much our duration? Almost our course duration is 5 months. For every topic, what we need to do? First, we have to do the configuration. First, we have to do the configuration. Based on the configuration, we want to create master data. We want to create master data. Master data means GL creation, vendor creation, customer creation, like that. Based on master data, we can post accounting entry. We can post accounting entry means document entry posting. Based on the document entry posting, accounting entry posting means document entry posting. Based on the document entry posting, we will generate the reports. We will generate the reports, everyone. Reports. Our job start from the configuration. First, we'll do the configuration. Later, we will create the master data. Later, we will post accounting entries. Later, we will generate the reports. In the background of this configuration, one more thing also there. That is called program. Background of this configuration, one more thing also there. It will work program. Program can also work, but we are not responsible this program. Program is responsible by the ABAPer who learn ABAP module. Background program can work. Okay, so but we are not responsible by this program. Our responsible start from the configuration. Any topic, everyone. Any topic. Any topic, my dear students. Any topic, start from the first you have to configuration. Master data creation. Accounting entry posting. Later, reports. Later, reports, everyone. Later, reports. Now, for the GL, now we are doing the configurations of the GLs. GL configuration, new GL configuration, later master data creation, accounting entry posting, again different topic, again different topic, again different topic. Entire this 5 months course. First we learn SAP FICO, later project class, later job assistance and all, resume preparation and all, everything. Okay. So it is step-by-step process, everyone. Everything won't cover one day. Be patient, everyone. Be patient. If, of course, everyone, I will give you one word, everyone. For example, patience is one of the weapon to success of in your life. Okay. For example, if you have sad temper, for example, if you have, my intention is, patience is one weapon to success of your life, everyone. Patience is more control your emotions, control. Be patient, control. One day will come. One day will come, everyone. Once if you are a success, everyone, once if you are a success, success will speak you more than your voice. Success do not have any language, anything. For example, everyone, nowadays some people will criticize you. Maybe some people say some other things. Be patient. Do your work properly. You don't want to answer that type of people. Be cool. Patience is required. Once if you are a success in your life, your success will speak with them more than your voice. More than your voice. Be cool, everyone. Do your job properly. In our Hindu scriptures, we are called dharma. Okay. For example, we are in our, we want to do our karma, then we want to do our dharma, like that. Remaining people, God will take care. Okay. So be cool with the patience. Okay. For example, everything won't cover one day. It's step by step, step by step, step by step process, everyone. Even success, if I start today, success will not come tomorrow. It will take some time to success on your life. Anything. For example, anything, if you start today, success will not come tomorrow. It will take some span of time, everyone. It will take some span of time. So this time, how you are doing your dharma, in this time, how properly executing of your karma. Karma means work, job. How you are executing your job. How you are practicing, how you are listening the class, how you are reading interview question and answers, how you are analyzing other activities. One day will come, everyone. For example, okay. One day will come. So please be patient, focus the class, listen careful, and do practice properly. And coming days, I will share interview question and answers also. Simultaneously read interview question and answers. I will tell you how to read interview question and answers. So be practical, everyone. Focus the class. Focus. Be patient. One day will come. That day for yours. That day you don't want to speak. Your success will speak with you. Your success speak to others. Be patient. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.